In the last 10 years, the finance and technology sector has seen a very fast-paced growth. This is where our two masters in financial technology and emerging digital technologies are positioned. So we are developing the fundamental skill set of the next technology and finance experts that will drive innovation in the sector.
The Emerging Digital Technologies program brings together a collection of exciting modules that would provide students with essential knowledge in data science, distributed ledger technologies, software engineering. Not only would it allow students to gain the basic understanding of these new technologies, but also it would equip students with the essential skills to challenge the status quo of the technology and also to be innovative and creative at the same time.
The financial technology program looks at giving students a bit of background in finance, some understanding of technologies, particularly emerging technologies that are being applied in financial services, and an understanding of business models and frameworks that can be applied in financial services as well. And we cover all sorts of things, from looking at various different stakeholder perspectives, all the way from startups to the roles of regulators, incumbents, investors, and participants in the ecosystem as well.
The difference between the Financial Technology Master Program and the Emerging Digital Technologies Master Program is that the former, as its name implies, has a stronger focus on finance or financial services, whereas the latter has a stronger flavor in business and the management aspect of emerging technologies.
When I was choosing where I'd want to do my master's, I of course had a great range of options in terms of countries and universities, but studying in London was really appealing to me because being in the center of where the innovation is actually happening, being in the heart of all those networking events, opportunities, was really appealing. And UCL is well known all over the world for its computer science department and the innovations in tech that are happening here daily. So I think that's why I chose here.
Another key aspect of the program I really appreciated over the year were the several guest lectures that we had at UCL. We had the chance to meet a lot of some industry partners that were very experienced in the field, and that made for a great lecture and just a great networking opportunity overall.
Armed with the knowledge that you've learned on this program from the courses that you've taken in Term 1 and Term 2 and the summer project where perhaps you've worked with an industry partner, you have a lot of options available to you. Now, these options can range all the way from going and working again in the financial services sector for a traditional player, perhaps in investment banking. You're also quite lucrative and in demand in, for example, the operations and technology functions within these particular players as well. There's also a vibrant startup market where we've seen some graduates also go to, that is of course fintech startups themselves. And then there's also a broad array of kind of consulting activities in the consulting world that you can go to, where again you're applying the knowledge that you learn both from finance and technology combined with your understanding of business.
One key thing about this program is it definitely enhanced my career prospects down the line. The program really helped me enhance my technical skills, whether that's coding and finance or just working in a team. After graduating from this program, I'm about to start a software engineering position at a big tech company.
I was a beginner coming into the course and I had my concerns with whether I'd be able to cope with all of the information or not because I did not have enough industry experience to build upon. So I would personally definitely recommend it to any computer science student straight out of their bachelor's who want to learn more and build upon their existing basic computer science knowledge, who are intrigued by current digital technologies in the world, and it might sound overwhelming to be able to study all of this at once in a span of a year. But with all of the support you get from this institution, I think it's the right place to be. Anybody just looking to learn and introduce themselves and build their knowledge upon any of the technologies that this course claims to teach, it definitely does a good job, and I think you're going to enjoy this degree as much as I did.